Hey, my beautiful vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must over here. Welcome back to my channel and to another video. We're gonna be making some brown stew salmon and rice and peas today. And here are my awesome ingredients that I will be using. Of course, I have my peas, red peas soaking from overnight, and I have 3 cloves of garlic in it and some pimento seed. And check out my salmon and the rest of my colorful ingredients. Now let's just dive right into the salmon and just cut it up because it's right here, right? So I'm just checking to see the size. Okay, yes, size it up, then whoops, slice in it. So we're gonna slice it up, and I'm only going to get 3 slices out of it today. You can get 4 if you want, but I don't like for my salmon slices to be too skinny, right? So yeah, I'm the only one who should be on a diet looking all skinny, and I'm not. My salmon should be skinny. But yeah, vibes some, let's get to some seasoning. So here I have 1 tablespoon of onion granules, garlic granules, and all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going in with some, oh my goodness, Lorry's seasoned salt. Yes. So I'm gonna stir that up, and of course I'm gonna pour it all over the salmon now. So we're gonna do some rub-a-dub-dub, but before the rub-a-dub-dub, let's flip it over skin side up first, right? It don't matter which side you start on, to be honest. So yeah, rub-a-dub-dub, miss a rub-a-dub-dub, rub and a dub and a dub and a rub. So yeah, let's get the seasoning everywhere. So you want to get it on that thick side right there. Don't forget the sides, right? So yeah, rub it all over it. And then when we are done with that, of course, we're gonna flip it over and do the other side as well, right? Because we don't just season one part of our salmon or one part of our meat or anything like that. So flip him just like that, and bam, we are done. And get it all over this nice pretty part right here, looking so good. So yes, rub it up. And for those who only like salt and pepper on your salmon, go ahead and do your salt and pepper. You don't have to do all of this, right? Yeah, do you, boo. So here it is, all done, and I'm just gonna set that aside, and let's just work on the rice and peas. So let's put this peas to cook, right, and then come back to that. So here I have my peas. As I said, it has been soaking from overnight, so let's put it in the pot to boil it, boil, cook it, cook. And then I'm gonna go in and just add a little bit more stuff. Well, just one more thing, 2 more cloves of garlic. And then cover it and cook it for about 45 minutes to an hour until it's soft, really, right? So here it is now, all done. Look at it, some of them are all broken up. That is okay, it is cooked, right? You can test it with a fork, and once the fork go through a peas or the peas is, then you know you're good. So let's season the pot. We added scallion, thyme, and some grated ginger, and I'm going in with some coconut milk. You don't want to leave out your coconut milk out of your rice and peas. I'm adding some salt, of course, and then you want to stir that up, and you can give it a taste, right? But if you don't want to taste it, you don't have to taste it yet. I would maybe say taste it after you let it boil up, let it cook for about 20 minutes, and then you can come back and taste it that time. So let's add some oil in the pot. In the meantime, in between time, get that oil all nice and hot. But yeah, so this is after 20 minutes, right, vibes fam? And now let's add our washed rice. So wash your rice, get rid of all that starch, and then you add it to your nice little rice, your nice little peas. And yeah, vibes, so make sure you taste it to see if it needs anything. So just cover it. So yeah, vibes, I added my salmon, and we are not really trying to just completely fry them or anything like that. We're just giving them a little brown, right? Just a little bit. You don't want to overcook your salmon because you don't need no dry salmon around here. So just a little something, right? So maybe 2-3 minutes tops on each side, or two really, right? So medium heat with the fire and 2 minutes on each side, and then flip them over, and then we're going to take them out, right, when we are all done. So yeah, Vibes Sam, now I'm gonna take them out and just put them in a tray. And Vibes Sam, what I did, I added 1 whole onion, I sliced it up, cut it up, or whatever in the, so add it to the same oil that you fry the salmon in, right? And then now I'm adding some chopped up garlic. So I chopped up some garlic, add that to it as well, judge it around, saute it only for about 2 minutes. Then next we're going in with some thyme. You can use dry thyme too as well. I'm going in with some bell peppers or sweet peppers, all the colors that you can get. I also added some grated ginger. Now make sure you add the ginger. I'm telling you, it tastes so good with the ginger, right? Yes, you want to add a little to your taste bud. So yes, stir that up and we're gonna cover it. I also added some pimento seed and some some hot pepper. If you chili, anything that will give it a little kick. So yeah, Vibes Sam, cover it for about 5 minutes. And here is my rice. So once all of the liquid is dried out of the rice, then now look at it, beautiful, looks so good and so ready, but it's not ready. So we're gonna go ahead and stir that up, right? So once the liquid, all the coconut juice dry out, then you go ahead and you stir up the rice, right? So you want to bring the what's at the bottom to the top. You want to stir it up, mix up everything, right, just to make sure it is cooked evenly, everything nice and cooked. And then we are going to cover it back. And well, depending on, by the way, did I say it's basmati rice? I'm using basmati rice, by the way. But yeah, it depends. The timing depends on how your rice is. Mine is almost done, so like only 5 minutes. So yeah, Vibe Sam, now I am back on these nice little veggies for my brown stew salmon, and I'm stirring it up, and then I'm going in now with some ketchup. So my ketchup was running low in this bottle right here. I had to get some more. I did add some more. So it's not just the tubs alone that you see in the pot right here. I also added some hot water. Don't use cold water if you can. And here I'm showing you the barbecue sauce, sweet barbecue sauce. Yes, so this is it's less tangy than a regular barbecue sauce, as it says, sweet barbecue sauce. So you don't really need to do too much doctoring, right, to it. So yeah, go ahead and mix those up together and look at it when everything is combined. And I'm going to cover this only for about 5 or 6 minutes, not long. I just want to boil up everything. But let me add the carrot first. So I'm adding some carrots because that's what I want in mine. If you don't want it in there, don't. 1 teaspoon of sugar, brown sugar, right? And I added some salt as well. So yes, stir that up, and you can taste now or wait until it boil up. Wait until after the 5 minutes, then you taste it. So cover it and give it 5 minutes, and this is it after 5 minutes. Beautiful. So yeah, Vibe Sam, you want to go ahead now and add that beautiful salmon. Add the salmon. Oh, oh, oh. Look at goodness. Look at niceness. Look at goodness. And you just want to take that nice little juicy juice and put it all over the salmon. Yes, Vibes fam. Look at it. And we're going to watch it bubble. So yeah, vibes, I added some black pepper and I'm just gonna cover it for only about 5 minutes. No longer, no longer. 4 minutes, 5 minutes, not long. Salmon don't take long to cook at all. And this is it. It is all done. My salmon is ready and look at it. It's all ready for the video light and it looks so good, so beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I am so excited. Now let's peep on the rice as well. So that's ready. And let's peep on the rice. Boom. And look at Ricey. Yes, Ricey. I see you, Mr. Rice and Peas. And vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious plate of brown stew salmon and rice and peas. And of course, I added a little broccoli on the side, some avocado, and a little slices of tomato and a little slices of cucumber. And I put the gravy in that cute little thing right there and it's on the side. So you know, by the way, I love a lot of gravy. Yeah. When I share it directly from the pot to what if it the gravy would be all over it, drowning in it, I'm telling you. But yeah, vibes Sam, this is it. The salmon so ready for the video light. Step right out, Sammy. Sammy, you look so good and ricey. Yes, you look delectable, so good. But thank you so much, Vibe Sam. Let me know, would you try this? Would you try this recipe? Yes, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and run over Instagram and follow me and Facebook. Thank you. God bless you.